Did you know that the average person checks their phone 96 times per day? That's once every 10 minutes. No wonder 73% of people report feeling stressed and unfocused daily. Today, I'm taking on the ultimate challenge. Can I train my mind to be as calm and focused as a Zen master for an entire day? I'll be testing ancient techniques that monks have used for centuries, but in our modern chaotic world. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact step-by-step methods I used. Some worked amazing, others, well, let's just say my mind had other plans. Here's my plan. I'm going to spend 24 hours applying authentic Zen techniques to see if I can actually achieve that legendary monk-like calmness and laser focus. My current state, like most of you, my mind is constantly racing. I have 47 browser tabs open, 23 unread notifications, and I literally forgot what I was doing 3 times while setting up this camera. The challenge: transform from scattered modern person to focused Zen master using only traditional techniques, no apps, no fancy equipment, just ancient wisdom. What I'll test: morning meditation ritual. Mindful eating, yes, even my coffee. Walking meditation during daily tasks. Breathing techniques when stress hits. Evening reflection practice. The rules: I'll document everything, the wins, the fails, and the moments where I wanted to throw my phone out the window. But first, let's be real about what we're up against. Our modern world is literally designed to destroy focus. The attention economy: social media companies hire neuroscientists to make their apps as addictive as possible. We're fighting billion-dollar algorithms designed to scatter our attention. Constant stimulation: we get dopamine hits every few seconds, notifications, messages, likes. Our brains are now wired for instant gratification, not sustained focus. Stress epidemic. Work emails at midnight, news anxiety, social comparison. We're in a state of constant low-level stress that makes calmness feel impossible. The real challenge: it's not just about sitting quietly for 10 minutes. Can these ancient techniques actually work when you're dealing with deadlines, traffic, difficult people, and a mind that's been trained to jump from thought to thought? That's what I'm about to find out. Let's start this experiment. Morning ritual, 6 a.m. Instead of grabbing my phone first thing, I'm starting with what Zen masters call morning mindfulness. Technique 1, the 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 7 counts. Exhale for 8 counts. Repeat 4 times. First impression: honestly, my mind is already thinking about my to-do list. But there's something different, a slight slowing down. Let's see how long this lasts. Mindful coffee, 7 a.m. Instead of scrolling while drinking coffee, I'm practicing mindful consumption. Technique 2. The 5 senses method. What do I see? Steam rising, rich brown color. What do I smell? Earthy, bitter, warm. What do I taste? First sip, the warmth spreading. What do I hear? Birds outside, coffee machine humming. What do I feel? Warmth of the cup, morning air. Reality check: this feels weird. I keep reaching for my phone. But when I focus on just the coffee, there's actually something peaceful about it. First real test, 9 a.m. Email overload hits. 47 unread messages. Normally I'd panic scroll through everything. Technique 3, the stop method. Stop what you're doing. Take a breath. Observe your mental state. Proceed with intention. The result: instead of opening 20 emails at once, I chose one. Focused on it completely. Finished it. Moved to the next. Revolutionary? Maybe not. Effective? Actually, yes. Midday crisis, 1 p.m. This is where it gets real. Lunch break, and every fiber of my being wants to scroll social media. Technique 4, walking meditation. Walk slower than normal. Focus on each step. Feel feet touching ground. When mind wanders, return to walking. Honest moment, this is hard. Really hard. My brain is literally craving stimulation. But after 10 minutes, something shifts. The constant mental chatter quiets down. The afternoon crash, 3 p.m. This is usually when I reach for another coffee and enter full chaos mode. Instead, let's try the most powerful technique I learned. The 10-minute reset. Do this with me. Minute 1 to 2, grounding. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes if you want. Feel your body in the chair. Feel your feet on the ground. You're here, right now, in this moment. Minute 3 to 4, breath awareness. Don't change your breathing, just notice it. In and out. If your mind wanders to your to-do list, that's normal. Just return to the breath. In and out. Minute 5 to 6, body scan. Notice any tension. Your shoulders, your jaw, your forehead. Don't try to fix it, just acknowledge it. Hello, tension. I see you. Let it be there. Minute 7 to 8, thought-watching. Thoughts will come. That's their job. Watch them like clouds passing in the sky. Don't fight them, don't follow them. Just observe. Thinking is happening. Minute 9 to 10, return to the world. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deeper breath. Open your eyes. Notice how you feel compared to 10 minutes ago. My experience, that was, actually amazing. The mental chatter is still there, but it's not controlling me. I feel like I have space around my thoughts. End of day assessment, 8 p.m. What actually worked? The morning breathing set a different tone for the entire day. Mindful coffee made me realize how much I usually multitask. The stop method saved me from 3 potential stress spirals. Walking meditation was surprisingly powerful. What was challenging? My phone addiction is worse than I thought. Old habits are strong. I caught myself reaching for distractions constantly. Some techniques felt awkward at first. The mind really does resist slowing down. The surprising discovery: I got more done today, not less. When I focused on one thing at a time, I was actually more productive. My stress levels were noticeably lower. The real test: evening wind down. Instead of scrolling before bed, my worst habit, I'm trying the Zen evening practice. Technique 5, Day Reflection. 3 things I'm grateful for. 1 thing I learned about myself. 1 intention for tomorrow. Final thoughts: this isn't about becoming a monk or sitting in meditation for hours. It's about finding moments of calm and focus in a chaotic world. And honestly, it works. The verdict: can you train your mind like a Zen master in 1 day? Not completely. This is a practice that takes time. But can you start experiencing more calm and focus immediately? Absolutely. What you can start today. 1. Replace phone checking with 3 deep breaths. 2. Try the 5 senses method with your next meal. 3. Use the stop technique when you feel overwhelmed. 4. Take 1 10-minute walking meditation break. 5. End your day with 3 gratitude instead of scrolling the bigger picture. We're not trying to escape the modern world, we're learning to navigate it with more wisdom. These aren't just relaxation techniques, they're mental fitness tools. Remember, every Zen master started as a complete beginner. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge with staying calm and focused? Drop a comment and let me know which technique you're going to try first. If this experiment resonated with you, hit that subscribe button. Next week I'm going even deeper into meditation practices that can transform your daily life. And here's a challenge for you: try just one of these techniques for the next 3 days. That's it. Just one. Then come back and tell me how it went. Your mind is capable of incredible calm and focus. You just need to remember how to access it. Let's figure this out together.